Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can customize your Google Chrome home menu. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, here's the option like customize Chrome. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to select the options like, as you can see, here's the option for the change theme. If you want to change your theme, so you have to click on the change theme and you will get a lot of themes here. For example, if you want to add this one, so you have to click on this and now you have to select the color, that which color you want. For example, I want this color, so you have to click on this and your color will be changed. So as you can see, the color is changed. Now go to the back, and after going to the back, as you can see, some other themes are also here. So if you want to change, for example, I want this one, so you have to click on this and you will see the themes like this. For example, I want this one, so you have to click on this and you will get the theme like this. Or for example, if you want this one, you can also get the theme like this. So let's go back, and after going back, you will get a lot of themes are here. Or if you want to upload any other image you can also upload that here. And now we are going to back, and after going to back, as you can see, here are some color modes. If you want the dark mode, you can get the dark mode. If you have the light one, you will get the light one. It's up to you that which one you are choosing. And after that, you have some basic settings like the follow device colors and reset Chrome. And if you want to delete your shorts, my shorts, you can get the options like this: most visited site or my shortcuts. If you want to add shortcuts by yourself, you can also add that. If you want that your most visited sites will be automatically added in your shorts, you can also do that. So in this way you can customize your Google Chrome homepage. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can customize your Google Chrome homepage. So see you guys in the next video.